everybody. You can see here the beginning of the deck is flush with the concrete. It's a small one, and then a couple steps up, but it makes a great effect for it. It's not even 100 square feet, and yet it's a great add-on for small areas like mine. You see the combination of colors also help to understand the steps, and then this is the finish, and I made a bridge going to the gazebo. Here I'm gonna show it to you from the side because it looks better. So the actual decking ends here, the deck area, and then a little step to help connect this bridge to the gazebo, and that's it. It's just 100 square feet of decking, and yet it looks like a great project. It's something that you can do yourself and enjoy it with the family. I also added a bench next to the fence, which is also great to sit and creates an additional destination to your backyard. Thank you for watching.